View in the market that perhaps there's going to be a lag between the reopening and any sort of meaningful pickup in demand. Many economists are sort of suggesting we could see things really picking up and having an impact on inflation around Q2. At this stage, inflation is not a huge problem, particularly for the PBOC, but could it be a problem down the road?
Well, very good question, Samantha. I would say that the CPI inflation probably would be on its way up, mainly because that the demand is picking up more notably in China after the reopening. Given that all the zero COVID policies have already been adjusted. But I don't necessarily think that it will become an immediate concern for from the monetary authority. After all, we're currently seeing China coming out of a recession, and the output gap still remains large, and it will take some time before that output gap is filled and more inflationary pressure is built. So we think that it would take time. So it would be not until probably Q4 that we see more inflationary pressures squeezing the room for the central bank. As for the CPI inflation numbers, we're expecting this to go up a little for the January reading to 2.2%, but that's mainly driven up by food prices, and especially within that, fruit and vegetables. Pork prices remain rather stable.
Helen, services sector growth and services sector inflation, what is that telling you, and where are you putting the outlook?
Very good questions. The service sector prices are actually edging up a bit, especially at a time when the whole China is coming back very strongly around the Lunar New Year time. As you can see, that activities both in terms of transportation, tourism, box office, everything seems to be coming back very strongly. So at a time when supply is relatively stable, demand come back at such a pace clearly gives more pricing power to the small businesses that are providing such services. So we are seeing service sector prices going up a bit, and that probably will be reflected in the core CPI inflation being released in an hour's time. So we think that from now on, we probably will see a bit more non-food, non-fuel, which is in the core CPI inflation going up because of the rapid rebound in consumption, especially in the consumption of services.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.